Have you ever just sat there, staring at the spinning wheel of death on your screen, waiting for some massive local data query to finally load? Yeah, we've all been there. That frustration used to be the universal tax on business intelligence. Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to The Explainer. If you are a focused learner trying to grasp the fundamental structural shifts happening in data technology right now, you are in the exact right place. Today, we're unpacking a really vital note on the intersection of cloud computing and business intelligence. We're looking at a massive paradigm shift. I'm talking about the explosive transition from traditional, heavy, on-premise infrastructure to nimble, cloud-native BI. This shift is completely rewriting how organizations handle their data, manage their costs, and scale their operations. So let's get right into the mechanics of this transformation. By 2026, an overwhelming 85% of all new business intelligence systems are expected to run exclusively in the cloud. Think about that for a second. 85%. That metric is just staggering. We aren't talking about some passing trend or a slow, multi-decade migration here. This is a complete, aggressive industry takeover, and it is happening right now. You might be wondering, why is this tipping point happening so abruptly? Well, it's because the sheer volume of data modern companies generate has literally broken the old model. The days of buying massive, wildly expensive physical servers just to run your company's data analytics, those days are rapidly coming to an end. It's simply no longer feasible for a standard business to physically house the kind of computing power required to process modern data streams. Okay, let's dive into this with a core insight from the research. It states that cloud computing has transformed business intelligence from a periodic reporting exercise into a real-time, scalable ecosystem. Now let's really unpack that phrase, periodic reporting exercise. Think back to what that actually looked like in the recent past. Remember the absolute pain of practically begging your IT department for a critical sales report? You'd put in a ticket, wait 2, maybe 3 weeks, and then finally receive this massive, clunky spreadsheet. And you know what the worst part was? By the time that file actually hit your inbox, the data was already obsolete. You were making crucial business decisions based on the ghosts of past performance. Now contrast that vivid frustration with what we're moving toward today. We're looking at a living, breathing cloud ecosystem where insights are instantaneous and your data reflects the exact reality of your business in this very second. And this brilliantly illustrates the 4 massive foundational benefits that cloud architecture provides over traditional servers. We're talking about the 4 pillars of cloud BI. First up, affordability. You are no longer footing the bill for giant physical machines that start depreciating the literal second you buy them. Second, scalability. Let's say your data processing needs suddenly double overnight. No problem at all. The cloud simply expands to handle it without you having to order, wait for, and install new hardware. Third is integration. Cloud BI inherently speaks the exact same language as the other cloud-based tools your business is already using, which makes your data pipelines infinitely smoother. And fourth, reliability. With cloud architecture, your data is backed up across multiple redundant servers globally. That means a single local power outage doesn't completely take your entire analytics operation offline. Together, these 4 pillars ensure your infrastructure is perfectly aligned with the lightning speed of modern business. So how do those technological pillars translate into actual strategic business advantages? Let's break down the major ones. First is elastic scalability. Imagine your company runs a massive, unexpected flash sale. Instead of your local servers completely crashing under the weight of thousands of simultaneous data requests, the cloud instantly and elastically adjusts its computing power to handle that data spike, totally seamlessly. Then we have democratized access. This simply means your distributed teams can collaborate securely 24/7 from literally any internet-connected device in the world. Third, and honestly, this is a massive game changer, we have predictable cost models. This is the shift from capital expenditures, or CapEx, to operational expenses, OpEx. To put that simply, instead of a massive upfront CapEx, like buying a multi-million-dollar server room, you move to an OpEx model. You're essentially just renting the compute power you actually use month to month. It's almost exactly like paying a utility bill. This completely democratizes advanced analytics, putting enterprise-grade power directly into the hands of smaller businesses. Finally, accelerated AI integration gives you access to pre-built frameworks like AWS SageMaker right out of the box, letting you easily automate incredibly complex forecasting. When we put cloud BI head-to-head with on-premise BI in a direct comparison, the contrast tells a very, very clear story of what we are leaving behind. Let's just think about deployment times for a minute. What used to take months of planning, shipping, and complicated local setup can now be provisioned in the cloud in a matter of hours. Scalability goes from being severely limited by the physical hardware sitting in your office closet to being practically limitless. But honestly, perhaps the biggest quality of life upgrade comes in maintenance. Under the old model, your in-house IT team might have to spend their entire weekend in a freezing cold server room, manually applying security patches and swapping out fried hard drives. With the cloud, that entire maintenance burden shifts completely to the vendor. They manage the updates, the security patches, and the server health seamlessly in the background while you sleep. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how this cloud architecture goes way beyond just speeding up standard dashboards. It unlocks entirely new, highly advanced capabilities. We start seeing things like true self-service analytics. This is where the interface is intuitive enough and the processing power is strong enough that everyday business users can just explore raw data themselves. You don't need an engineering degree to get answers anymore. Then there's predictive analytics. This uses that vast cloud computing power to forecast future trends using machine learning, rather than just telling up what happened yesterday. And crucially, we have embedded analytics. Think of it like this. You don't even have to open a separate business intelligence application. Those live insights, charts, and data warnings are injected directly into your CRM, your marketing platform, or whatever daily apps your team already has open. It transforms data from a destination you have to actively visit into a constant, helpful co-pilot. To really ground this theory in reality, let's survey the actual marketplace of solutions that are driving this mass adoption. Because look, not every cloud platform is identical. Each one brings a very specific strength to the table. If your entire company already lives and breathes inside the Microsoft 365 ecosystem, Microsoft Power BI is your natural extension, offering incredibly deep Azure integration. On the other hand, if your priority is stunning visual storytelling and pulling native data straight from Salesforce, Tableau is absolutely renowned for its visualization capabilities. Then you have Looker. Running on Google Cloud, it's a fantastic choice for organizations that need a strictly governed, centralized data modeling layer, making sure absolutely everyone is working off the exact same data definitions. And finally, Domo. This is a fully cloud-native platform designed specifically for rapid deployment and handling incredibly high-volume, real-time data streams for those fast-moving executive teams. Which brings us to a really critical realization at the end of this explainer. The data clearly shows that the cloud is no longer just an option. It is the default. If you're still relying on a slow, periodic reporting exercise tied to expensive, aging on-premise hardware, you are actively losing out. You're missing out on the affordability, the elastic scalability, and the advanced capabilities that your competitors are already utilizing every single day. The technology has fundamentally shifted. So the big question you need to ask yourself is this: is your current infrastructure holding you back, or is it propelling you forward? It is time to evaluate exactly how your organization needs to evolve to support a true, real-time data ecosystem. Thank you so much for joining me for this focused explainer on cloud computing and business intelligence. And as always, keep learning.